I have unmolded the soap, the column pour. This is what the bottom looks like. That's where the mason jar was. And you flip it over. That's what the top looks like. It's still a little warm, but I'm going to try to cut it. Okay, so I promised you guys I would show you guys a different way to cut. So this is what the bars look when you cut them just normally how you would off the block. Okay, so this is just to show you an example. So you have it on here normally, you cut it all the way over to the end, and then you slice it. So as you can tell, this is a little bit bigger chunk than a normal 1-inch bar, which is what I normally cut these at. So then what you do is you turn it sideways, and we're going to cut this bar in half. And I hope I cut them wide enough because we want them to be big. So let's see. Oh, that's going to be a little off. So I'm going to, just a sec. Okay, so now they're cut sideways. So now these are the size of the normal bars. And then look what happens. Amazing. Oh my goodness. What it does is it just gives you a completely different look than the other bars. See that? Oh, there it goes. There, focuses in. It's gorgeous. So you see the difference between them? Here's what this one looks like. And then here's what these other bars look like. See, they're just as beautiful. They're just as pretty. It's just a completely different look. Actually, it's not too different. You can see some green in there, so my green didn't completely, totally blend. Even though these were all cool, you still get a little bit of blending with melt and pour. So that's just a different way of slicing. See, here's the very top of the loaf, and this is the bottom. And I just cut through the middle. Anyway, there is the cut of this soap. So I'm glad it turned out the way it did. This is scented with Island Escape, I believe. It's Island Escape. It's a brambleberry fragrance. I got it as my sample. It just so happened it was a sample the month when I ordered it. I don't know why that's not zooming in. So there you go.